We're going to be talking about the best stocks to hold long-term for long-term investors for 2025 moving into the new year, which I think are going to do significantly well. A lot of investors, a lot of hedge funds are calling this the popcorn market, right? We have certain stocks that are continuing to make lower lows, and then you have other stocks that are breaking out to the upside, which in return called the popcorn market. Okay, so the best advice that I'm going to give to you guys, and I'm going to go off of analysts, my analytical opinion as well, moving into 2025, which the best stocks for you guys to hold long term, right? Many of you guys hold SPY long term, QQQ, etc. Some of the stocks are not in SPY, like Sofi. Sofi has not been added into the S&P 500 yet. It may be. There's talk that it could. So moving right into it, let's talk about Sofi. Sofi, I feel, is going to be one of the best long-term holds moving into 2025. Not for day trading, not for swing trading, a long-term hold. You can thank me later. Another one that I want to look into is Palantir. Palantir Technologies has done phenomenally well. I consider, even though it's ran up into the high 66 range, it's already done 200 in, I think it's 280% since the start of 2024. I think it still has a lot more room to run. This is a very good stock to have for the year of 2025 moving in. I think it's going to do extremely great. And with that being said, you want to have some exposure to the Chinese market. I believe the Chinese market is going to do very, very well. We know Donald Trump is imposing tariffs. Don't think they're going to stick. That's the main trade. You know, there's going to be things, right? There's definitely going to be some notion to take and consider, but I still feel China's bull market has not even started, right? It's just, it is in the baby beginning. Think of something you want to get into now, guys. And my top holdings for the year and possibly 2 years would be your JD and your Alibaba. These two stocks, this should be considered long-term holds. They have phenomenal PE ratios that show significant growth. I definitely foresee these going up. So SoFi would be one of my favorites, Palantir, JD, and Alibaba. Moving forward with our Magnificent Seven, do I really feel Nvidia is going to be all that great? I personally don't think so. I think it's going to be in a downtrend moving into the end of the year and even 2025. It's not one of my premier stocks. I'm not looking to long this. I would preferably start to short this, like in a 6-month frame. I would be shorting this stock. That's my personal opinion, guys. You guys can disagree with me. I'm just not a huge fan of Nvidia. But there's going to be some breakout stocks. We'll get into that in a personal video. I'll leave that on for the Patreon viewers and etc. There's going to be a couple of good stocks that are really looking like they're going to break out and move forward and do significantly well. But we definitely want to have some hedge in the crypto market as well. So with that being said, we want to have XRP. Okay, we want to have some XRP. XRP's community has done very, very well, guys. Look what happened. I've made a video in the past 30 days. I was in at 50 cents. Launched all the way to the 160, is fluctuating back to the 40 cents. If you do not have an exchange that allows you to invest in XRP, XLM is a secondary coin. It runs with XRP. They're both cross-border payments, etc. And they're very fast. They're very effective as well. So get yourself some little XLM, XRP, and Quant. These cryptos are going to do very well. I'll get in another in-depth video on other analytical cryptos that I think are going to do well if the alt season is officially here and it just takes off. But if it does not take off, I foresee, just because XRP has been like a stable coin for the past 2 years, this is its time to run, right? If we're about to enter a bear market, it doesn't matter what, it always blows off at the end, right? So I definitely I'm definitely telling you guys to maybe get in this investment. I think it's going to be beneficial. All the stocks and cryptos I think that I just named are going to do significantly well for a long term, right? This is something that you would allocate. And even if you did not have a Roth IRA or something on that significant level, this would probably be a good idea to quarterly. You can start something of your own of investing, right? Every quarter, you can throw a few dollars into each one of those stocks and cryptos that I had just mentioned and see how it goes for the next 12 to 16 months. You'll thank me later. Guaranteed. Because you can't lose option decay. You can't lose on day trading, etc. You'll thank me in 12 months. This is for your long-term holders. I just foresee right now the market in general. I think we're going to get a really big buying opportunity. I do foresee a 5% correction. I think the S&P 500, NASDAQ, QQQ, everything is over in... just overbought right now. People are going to be taking profit for the holidays. A lot of people are expecting a Christmas rally. I don't know how this one's going to play out. I think if we get this correction over with very fast and soon, keep in mind I'm making this video, guys, on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all you guys, 2024. If we get this correction over with mid-December or even the first week of December, etc., we can finish the bull, the Christmas rally strong for the end of December, and then we'll get into January as well. But I do foresee a Christmas rally, but I do see some profit taking. I do see the market coming down a little. SPY does not have to necessarily go to 570, 575. It can still hit that 580 target, 585, or it can retest the low that we just put in, which was like 184. And if it puts a higher high in, then okay, then that would officially debunk my 5%. It would debunk the 5% correction, and then we would go up from there. But still, the short from to what are we at right now? 556, 558, no, 558 down to 585 is still a good. It would still be a good profit range for you guys, even if we made a lower low. That's even with the QQQ. I'm looking for the QQQ. I'm looking at its trading range. It can go as low as the low 90s, 88, 87 ish. Same thing. It can do pretty darn low, guys. So with that being said, like and follow Joe W Trades for your news updates on the stock market, guys. So remember, those are the top picks for 2025, what you should invest in. We have Palantir, we have Sofi, we have JD, we have Alibaba, we have XLM, XRP, and Quant. Those are just a couple of the ones that I think are going to do phenomenal and help people grow, right, as wealth, generational money, for your long-term investments without having to worry about allocate and lose and swing trades and day trades. If you like this video, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much, and happy holidays.